All right, breaking news coming in. The Indian government has said that vaccine exports and donations will be resuming from October 2021. The Vaccine Maitri program will resume starting October. That's what the government has now said. Let's go across to Meher Pandey for more on this. Meher, what more details can you share with us?
Yes, Rohit. So the health minister has just announced that Vaccine Maitri will begin from October 2021. That's just next month. He said that vaccine production has increased now, and so India needs to fulfill its commitments towards the COVAX program, which was co-led by Gavi and the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness and WHO. So this was a coalition that there were commitments to earlier on in the pandemic, but then these exports were put on hold as the second wave got really bad. And now cases are coming down, and they've said that vaccine production is high enough to restart exports. But if we look at the production numbers that the minister has actually shared, he said that in September, 23.5 crore doses will be available. In October, 30 crore doses will be available, and later on, 100 crore per month will be available. But according to this, per day, the vaccine available will be less than a crore. So right now, as of September and potentially as of October, production is not actually high enough to export as well as meet the target of completely vaccinating 60% of the population. So this is a really big announcement, the implications of which are going to be massive for our vaccination drive. But questions arise on whether this is too soon.
Yes, Meher. In fact, that is what my next question was going to be, because is the government confident of reaching India's target of vaccination? Because doctors after doctors have said that what happened on Prime Minister's birthday shows that we have the wherewithal to administer a record number of vaccinations. The question is of the supply. Is the supply adequate to reach our target?
So as of September, the supply is not actually enough to reach the target. The 2.5 crore vaccination that was done was massive and was celebrated, and if we met that goal every single day, then we could meet the target of doing 60% of the population by December. But this is not sustainable going by current production right now. And also the production numbers for 30 crore doses in October and more than 100 crores in the coming quarter, that is still projections. And as we know, many times the government's projections of production have been off the mark. Bharat Biotech's production in particular has not always reached the government's projected numbers. And going by the PSUs that Bharat Biotech has matched up with to increase their production, a lot of them are actually not on track to meet their production requirements. So it is still might not be as much as is needed to do both export and vaccination within India.
Right. All right, Meher Pandey, we'll leave it there. Thanks very much for joining us with those details. In fact, listen into what the health minister said about restarting the Vaccine Maitri program.
वैक्सीन प्रोडक्शन बढ़ रहा है, वैक्सीनेशन कार्यक्रम तेजी से आगे बढ़ रहा है। अगले महीने में अक्टूबर में हमें 30 करोड़ से अधिक डोज मिलने की संभावना है, और उसके आगे और भी डोज और भी प्रोडक्शन बढ़ेगा। बायोलॉजिकल इवेंट्स एंड अदर कंपनीज भी मार्केट में आ रही है। उसको देखते हुए अगले 4th क्वार्टर में हम हमारी जरूरियात को पूरी करके अधिक प्रोडक्शन करेंगे। ये प्रोडक्शन के तहत हम वैक्सीन मैत्री को भी आगे बढ़ाएंगे। 4th क्वार्टर में वैक्सीन मैत्री के तहत हम दुनिया को भी मदद करेंगे और कोवैक्स में भी हमारी जिम्मेवारी निभाएंगे।